gentle drum and play echoes the footsteps of an endless day. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know. The drizzle dances softly on the street, its rhythm a pulse beneath our retreat. Old stories rise with the scent of rain. The sax sings again, an echo refrain. Oh, isn't life a fleeting kind of art? The tender kind that lingers in the heart. A whispered question hangs dearest muse, with answers wrapped in the city's blues. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful wanderings of all we know.
Rolling slow, yeah. The sun's sinking low. Hitting up the boulevard, see the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine. West Coast living where it's always fine. Barbecue grilling, got the smoke in the air. Neighbors pulling up, good vibes everywhere. Talk box singing, let the synthesizer play. Grooving through the block like it's a Saturday. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast breeze, got the vibe on lock. Cruising all day, no tick-tick of the clock. Hit the beach, feet up in the sand. Ooh, yeah. Wave to the ocean, yeah, it's part of the plan. Retro shades reflecting the sky. Out here vibing, making time stand by. Late night lights, city shining in gold. Story after story, all the legends were told. Cruisers hit the streets, hear the engines purr. Low riders dipping, making heads turn for sure. Slide, glide, take a ride. Oh, feel that sunshine, let the bass line flow. West Coast groove, got the beat so sweet. Keep it rolling steady, feel the heat, feel the beat.
Static hum invades my veins marrow. Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops, chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Broken glass falling like teardrops, a forgotten map where time stops. Grinding gears where dreams collapse, caged in the rhythm, can't elapse. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops, chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Fingers on strings, pulling the thread. Heartbeats pounding from moments unsaid. Every spark hiding what we're seeking. In the swirl of chaos, no time for speaking.